Alright, so we are getting ready to do something kind of cool. We're going to drive around Daytona International Speedway on the road course. Alright, I'm seeing some movement up ahead, so we're going to go ahead and have the video rolling to make sure we're ready to go here. We get two laps around the Daytona International Road Course. This will be my first time driving on a track. It's very exciting. The Combustion Gamer, his first event was here at Daytona, which was cool. His first time driving a track. And who wouldn't want your first time driving a track to be at the World Center of Racing in Daytona? So, pretty cool. Alright, here we go. Not sure where we're entering the track from. That'll be interesting to see. Ooh, nice electric blue Corvette up there. Make sure our camera's rolling. All the cameras are rolling. Yeah, we're going to turn 4, I guess this is? Turn 4? Looks like we're, oh no, we're on the backstretch somewhere, okay. Yeah, we're entering from the backstretch area. All I can see is stands, that's so cool. Alright, let's go on the course back here. I'm not sure what the exact speed limit you were allowed to do was, but we're just gonna go for it. Got everything set up for the 500 and the Rolex on here. Going about 45 miles an hour. Slowing down to come into the, don't actually know what you call this. Is it like a bus stop? No, it's not a bus stop. Try to miss the rumbles here. Trying to hang back to so we have some, make sure we have some fun here. Oops, everybody's really slowing up here. We're not supposed to be stopping, people. We're going too slow now. Everybody's trying to slow down for the cool around the straightaway there. We're gonna make sure we just hang back here. Got it blocked off for safety so you can't go up on the banks, which is perfect sense. But take a view at the banks. I don't know how well the camera captures it, but just look at the banks as we go around here. It is amazing. Amazing. We're going really slow back here. Mr. Toyota, you're gonna get in trouble. You're not supposed to be up there. Look at those banks, man, that is crazy. Yeah, that guy's gonna be told to go down, you're not supposed to be there. They've been having trouble trying to play the banking up there. Now we can go through the triangle. We can get up high on that spot. On the actual banking, we're not supposed to be there. I think if you come on some of the tours, you can drive on the banking though. At the Motorsports Hall of Fame of America, something like that. I think you can do that. So. Working on building some speed to get up through the tri-oval should be fun. Try not to be too close since that car's being kind of crazy up there. Alright. World Center of Racing. Let's go. trade paint with the wall here. All the grass ready there. Across the start finish line. Alright, slowing to come into the turns here. Get where the red course goes, so going a little slower here to be careful. So cool. I'm not sure why the combustion guy is sitting right on the back of that car. I would have backed off myself, but hey, whatever. This is where the Rolex will be run in just a few days. I'm not sure what speeds they travel through here, but wow, that is crazy. Look at that. That is so cool. Bit of speed before they kick us off. Oh, that's so sad. And I'm just gonna say, if you get to come and do something like this, please, 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 please follow the rules. There are rules. There's a reason why the trucks are on the track in spots where they are. It's to keep you from going up on the banking. You're not supposed to do that. So please follow the rules so that others get to experience this and do this. You know, don't be that person who takes away the ability that they stop allowing us to do this. So just follow the rules, please, please. All right, we're slowing down to get off the track here. Go back out to the back gate back there. Is a 2 laps around the Daytona, can't say it, the Daytona International Speedway Road Course. I forget the exact name for it. Daytona Road Course, I think is just the name, but that is cool. Very cool experience. All right, we'll see how fast they kick us off here. So if you've got a cool car, you've got an old classic car, and you want to come take it around, just sign up for Daytona's emails. I think it's the NASCAR Foundation. Check on their emails, and they'll let you know when events are happening. Because this popped up very last minute. They probably knew about it, but they told people very last minute. So we didn't know about it until I think like Saturday the news came out, or maybe Friday or Saturday, and we were able to sign up for it. You can set up in advance, or you can pay when you get here. They're pretty good about that. So definitely cool. Definitely cool. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Alright, well, that was it. Thanks for watching this Ant on the Move video. I do lots of things on the move, and this was one of them. So, thanks for watching, and tune in next time for our next video, where I don't even know what we're going to be doing. You don't know who knows what we're going to be doing. So, just tune in next time, and we will see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye.